was just calling about a reckless driver. Just keeps swerving into the side, like the shoulder, at least 10, 12 times now. There's a guy in a minivan and he's about to get yeah, it's really weird.
How you doing, Sheriff?
Good. Followed him for probably a little over 2 miles. He was consistently driving over to the shoulder and almost hitting the guardrail, coming back into traffic. So much so traffic slowed down like a running roadblock, not to let anybody by. So finally I got behind him. It's probably about 3/4 of a mile before he pulled over. Up and, we'll get him out of the car. You tell me how you want to take it.
Yeah, Adrian Garcia, we got another one coming too, so as soon as he gets here, we'll get it. Yeah, we'll get it.
I got his license in my...
In your car? Yeah, I think they already ran it. Hey, how you doing, buddy? Go ahead and step out for me. Hey, you can go ahead and get off that phone. Just do me a favor and go step back to the back of the vehicle over here. Step over there in that grass for me. Have you got any weapons or anything, pocket knives or anything on you? Go ahead and step over here so we could, get away from this roadway noise. We got to ask you some questions.
2004, 2005, 2006.
Until I tell you to stop.
Okay. 1001, 1002, 1003, 1001.
All right. Yeah, right now you're going to be placed under arrest for driving under the influence of alcohol and or drugs, okay? We'll take care of it.
We'll get everything for you. Just let them do what they got to do. It's nice and comfortable. Tell me what you got to get out of the car before you tow it. My wallet, phone, $1,100.
I really want to put him in my car.
You want to drive it?
Where are you going to take him to the district?